Yeah, hi, I'm Ben Summerfield. I'm a director at Copyrite Business Solutions and I'm one of the directors. We've partnered with HotDocs now for 2 or 3 years. Originally we were introduced to HotDocs through a business partner of ours, WorldDocs. We happen to be the distributor for WorldDocs in the UK, and HotDocs has an integration with WorldDocs. Well, when I'm talking to clients, I try and talk in terms of what I deem the document lifecycle. So everything that happens to documents from the minute they're created, the information they're trying to convey through to what happens at the end of life when you want to dispose of them. So HotDocs enabled us to really take that document lifecycle to the very first stage and capture the information, which means that everything else in the process after that is streamlined and much more efficient. Yeah, absolutely. So we currently have WorldDocs and we have an integration between HotDocs and WorldDocs. We've worked to create a bespoke integration as well, so that we capture the actual raw data in HotDocs and then feed that through to WorldDocs and store it. So if you want to reuse data such as your client name, address, telephone number, we can use those as blocks within the content of the document and reuse those time and time again. Well, I suppose probably 70% of the HotDocs business for us comes from legal. We're quite strong in the legal sector. But having said that, I think any professional services firm, so accountancy, medical, insurance, they're also document intensive, that HotDocs has a particularly useful place in any of those sorts of organisations. Well, I think the key is, without getting too technical about the implementation, it's very important to consider your variables carefully within HotDocs, because if you can reuse the same variables time and time again, it means that when you create new templates, it's half the work. So once you've created one template, actually it's not very difficult to create 5, 6, 7, as long as you try and keep the variables the same throughout. Well, I think for me, HotDocs really adds to productivity, it helps efficiency, and it also helps drive a digital workflow, which is what most companies today are looking to work towards.